Alright guys, I'm back. Got another house wash to do. Got lots of spider webs. As you can tell, we're out in the middle of nowhere. Lots of spider webs, a few dirt daubers. Up in here in the patio, this little breezeway here is where it's really bad. These wasp nests, dirt daubers across there, spider nest. Everything on the property protection is taken care of. Got a lot of spiders up there around the window. I think it's a water heater. Property protection taken care of. More spider webs. This is also it started out as just a bid to wash the windows yesterday. Upsold has the house wash also. You can see we got spider webs all around. That water faucet going up the wall. There's more right there in that corner. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. Big wasp nest up top, right there, wrapped in a spider web. I've already taken. There was a bird nest up on top of this lamp. That light, but I took it down already. It was empty, no babies in there. Got some screen damage and some paint chipping off over here. Right there. Got some bushes to water. Dirt around the frames there. But that's it, I'll check back later.